Now, as you guys know, my channel, I've done a ton of reviews as far as products go. PGYtech is one of those products that they make a lot of filters, they make a lot of accessories, even, you know, holders and mounts and clips and things, almost everything that you can imagine for your drone, or at least for the DJI drones, PGYtech makes it. But this is the first time I saw this style of a case. So I've been using it for a while now, so I wanted to at least make a video just talking a little bit more about this case. This is for the DJI Mavic Air, and this is from PGYtech. So when I first got this case from PGYtech, they did send me this to review, and I was, you know, like I said, I feel like I've gone through like every other type of case out there for all these drones, but this is the very first one that I've seen that actually has some style to it, and that was the reason why I wanted to not just do a review on it, but you know, use it for a little bit and see exactly what some of the things I like and don't like about it. But this is one of the ones that I think was the first one that actually had a little bit of style to it. Now, it's nice to see that PGYtech came out with something unique. As you can see, this case doesn't look like all the other ones where it's all black and kind of canvas, you know, nylon material. This one is a very nice and smooth. It almost feels like it's a rubber exterior to it. And if you look at the zippers, they are all of the weather sealed type of zippers. It has a handle up top here, as well as a optional shoulder strap that it comes with. Just the fact alone that it was different than all the other ones definitely made me want to use it, try it out, and see if there's a lot more to it than just its looks. So we'll just start with the outside of the case. As you can see here, like I said, it has like a nice rubber, almost like a rubber feel to the outside of the case. And as you can see from the side view, it has just a little bit of a bump right here. But it is a very compact case. I would definitely compare this one to the Drone Gear one. And let me actually... So if you guys watched one of my previous videos on a Mavic Air case, I actually did this one on the Ghost Scope, and this is endorsed by Drone Gear. This is an awesome case as well. Very compact and very sleek. As you can see, I just want to compare the two as far as size goes, because these are the probably ones that are most comparable versus all those other hard cases I've done. Those are nice and big and bulky. These are compact, and this is what I like about this style case. So as you can see, size-wise, as far as height goes, it's a little bit shorter than the Ghost Scope one. The PGYtech is a little bit taller, a little bit thicker, but overall it is very similar. And like I said, most of the cases out there are very similar to this. There's nothing wrong with that. It was just very nice to see another option when you're carrying around your drone than some of these other cases. So I did find myself actually using it sometimes as a shoulder strap, just because you want to throw it around, keep this in your car, and just throw it around your shoulder when you're going to go out into the field. So cool that they have the option to do both. It does look nice on the outside. Let's go on the inside where it really matters. And this is, I think, the one thing that really caught my eye about the inside of this case is when you first open it up. As you can see here, it has the drone, the Mavic Air. It has the remote with the sticks off. You can actually keep the sticks on if you wanted to, because there is a cutout of holes there on the opposite side to keep them protected. I just opt to always take them off, just because, you know, when you try to close it, you have to almost line them up perfectly. So take them off just to be safe. And it holds 2 extra batteries. The cool part about this case is that when you open up this top part, it folds down, and now you have this kind of webbing material. And I actually really like this web material, or this kind of web holder, because you can just stretch out all of these elastic bands here to fit pretty much whatever you want. Now, what I have it is just, you know, I have a couple sets of filters. I have these new long exposure ones. I think this is from Freewell. I talked about that in my previous video. But of course, the PGYtech filters here. But there is a little bit of a hump right here on the bottom. And I think that's to accommodate anything and accessories that you have up top here. So you can still close this up pretty much without any issues. Just like that. So there it is. You can actually carry everything in there. You have your hub, your charger, your cables. I could probably even fit, and this is what's cool about the bands, is that you can almost put stuff pretty much anywhere, and there's some band that's gonna actually hold it in place, just like that. Now there's the hub, filter set by PGYtech as well. Let me see if that fits up top. And there you go. I have the Mavic Air, the remote, 2 batteries. If I go up here, I have the charger, hub, and a full set of filters, iPhone cable, and the port, charging port. So there is a little bit more stuff in here, so I just have to press it down just a little bit more. But there it is. Look at that. You can fit everything. You can fit everything in here, which is cool. And it is small and compact and somewhat stylish. That was the only real reason why I wanted to kind of talk about this one, is because it's just completely different than the other ones. I believe the price range on this one at the time, as of right now, I think it's around that $40 range. I'll make sure all that information is linked down below. So check the latest pricing on those, but as of right now, I think it's around 40 something dollars. There it is, the DJI Mavic Air case by PGYtech. A very, very nice alternative if you want to have something that looks, functions, has a lot more detail, and just an overall kind of unique case that I really haven't seen many people talk about. So PGYtech sent me an extra one, which of course is going to go to one of you guys, and it's very easy to win if you guys are interested in this case for your DJI Mavic Air. So it's easy to win. All you have to do, of course, is just like the video. Make sure you leave a comment down below, because I'm going to be picking from the comments. And once I do pick a winner, you also have to be subscribed to the channel, so make sure you are subscribed. And if you get picked, I'll be announcing the winner next week. Thanks again for watching, guys. This is Ultra Nastasio with flightpath.com. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.